Hello, I'm Stephen Wilkinson from microscopes.com.au, and today I want to demonstrate to you our Optico ASZ400 series stereo zoom microscopes. Now we have these in two configurations. You've got the binocular version and the trinocular version, and you would choose the trinocular version if you want to fit a digital camera. Now each microscope comes with a upright LED powered illuminated stand. Now this has a top light and a bottom light, both LED and with variable intensity. We have the focusing stand, and being a stereo zoom microscope, unlike a standard stereo microscope which has fixed objectives such as 20 times and 40 times, with the stereo zoom we have a variable magnification range from 10 times to 45. So what this means is the magnification ranges for its continuous zoom magnification. So you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way to 45 times. Then we have the interpupillary adjustable eye tubes and a pair of wide field 10 times eyepieces with diopter adjustment. This means you can focus each eye perfectly so that your specimen is completely in focus. And so what I want to do today is to show you a variety of accessories you can buy for these microscopes. We have two optional LED illuminators. This is the lower cost 72 LED ring light. This ring light has segmented quarterly adjustment for your illumination, and this is especially beneficial if you've got a specimen that can be quite difficult to photograph. Now that simply screws to the underneath of the objective on the microscope, and then we have the LED dome illuminator. Now these are a new product for us, and this offers the best illumination that we found for stereo microscope. Now it has 120 LED lights in the dome. Again, it's completely adjustable. Now the benefit of a dome illuminator is you have a completely even light source. So it causes no shadowing at all on your specimen. Highly recommended for metallic surfaces, such as difficult to photograph ball bearings, metallic. There again, we also found it's beneficial for looking at in entomology for insects. And again, that fits to the underneath of the microscope. Now we offer a range of digital microscope cameras. We've got on this microscope the USB 2 digital camera. We have these in 2, 5 or 12 megapixels. And you'd use a digital camera to, if you've got in a teaching environment, so instead of you just looking down the eyepieces, you can show it in a classroom environment. What you're looking at on the microscope. You can also capture images and video with the digital camera. We also have called Barlow lenses for these microscopes. Now these screw to the underneath of the microscope to either reduce the magnification, such as the 0.5 Barlow lens, but what this does in reducing the magnification, it will double your depth of field. And for for quite large specimens, you would probably use the 0.5. And then we have the 2 times Barlow lens. Now this will double your magnification. So what, from your standard 10 times to 45, you can actually get a magnification power of up to 90 times with this lens. So that's a basic rundown of the Optico ASZ400 series. So we have a lot more information on our website, and we have some comparison images taken with the LED 72 ring light and the dome illuminator, and also a variety of our digital microscope cameras. So please visit our website microscopes.com.au. Thank you.